Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about comparison between DNA and RNA. So in this video we will discuss about nucleic acids, basic structure of DNA and RNA and comparison between both the nucleic acids. Now let's start with the basics about nucleic acids. So nucleic acid was first discovered by Friedrich Messer and he observed these molecules from discarded surgical bandages and named it nuclein. Later, in 1889, Richard Altman named it nucleic acid. So, according to their composition and functions, nucleic acids are of two types. The first one is DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and the another one is RNA or ribonucleic acid. Now, to understand the differences between these two nucleic acids, it's very important to study about their chemical composition. So, they have a monomeric unit called nucleotides, or we can say that nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides. So, many times it also called as polynucleotides. Now, a nucleotide are composed of three components, which are nitrogenous bases, a 5-carbon sugar also called as pentose sugar, and an ion of phosphoric acid. Now, the first component of nucleic acid is nitrogenous base. The name indicates that these molecules are basic in nature and having nitrogen in their structure. They are heterocyclic and water-insoluble molecules. Now, there are two types of nitrogenous bases in both nucleic acids, which are purines and pyrimidines. In this picture, we can see the structure of purines and pyrimidines, from which purine consists of adenine and guanine and pyrimidines consist of cytosine and thymine. But in the case of RNA, the thymine is replaced by uracil. Now the next component is pentose sugar. In this picture, we can see the chemical structure of sugar having 5-carbon chain. Thus, it is called pentose sugar. Now there are two types of sugars found in nucleic acids. As the name indicates, DNA consists of deoxyribonucleic sugar and RNA composed of ribose sugar. In deoxyribose sugar, hydroxyl group at second end position is replaced by hydrogen, which make it more stable than RNA. Now, let's discuss the basic structure and functions of DNA. The structure of DNA was first described by Watson and Crick in 1953, and they were awarded by Nobel Prize for this. The DNA is a double-stranded molecule and have helical structure. It functions as hereditary material in all organisms and found in nucleus of the cell. According to their structure, DNA have four types named as aDNA, bDNA, cDNA and zDNA. Here in this diagram, we can see the double helical structure of DNA, which also indicating paired nitrogenous bases within it, and also we can see the length of helix, diameter of helix and major and minor grooves of DNA. Now the another nucleic acid is RNA or ribonucleic acid. It plays an essential role in the transfer of genetic information during protein synthesis and also helps in gene expression. Sometimes it also acts as genetic material, for example in viruses which lack DNA in it. Now RNA is also divided into major types according to their functions, which are messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA and snRNA. Here, this picture is indicating the secondary and tertiary structure of transfer RNA. Transfer RNA resembles like clover leaf and its structure is also called clover leaf model of RNA. Now, let's compare both the nucleic acids on the basis of their structure and functions. So, DNA and RNA both are made up of same monomers which are called nucleotides. However, they are difference of one nitrogenous bases between them but also have same composition of rest of three nitrogenous bases. And another similarity in both nucleic acid is that they both can perform as genetic material. Now, after learning basic structure of both the molecules, we are able to differentiate between both molecules. So let's understand the differences between DNA and RNA. So the full name of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and the RNA has full name as ribonucleic acid. The DNA has deoxyribose sugar in its structure and RNA consists of ribose sugar. The DNA has 4 nitrogenous bases named as adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. But in the case of ribonucleic acid or RNA, the thymine is replaced by uracil. So RNA have 4 nitrogenous bases named as uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. The DNA is located in the nucleus and mitochondria of the cell, but RNA is found in the cytoplasm of the cell. DNA has the main function of transmit genetic information in next generation, but in the case of RNA, the main function has transmission of genetic code. But in some cases, RNA can also perform as genetic material like in many viruses. So, deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA is a self-replicating body which replicates through the process of DNA replication. But in the case of RNA, it cannot replicate by its own. The DNA have their nitrogenous bases as guanine, cytosine and adenine with thymine. And in the case of ribonucleic acid, the base pair makes guanine with cytosine and adenine with uracil. So, in this video, we have discussed about the basic structure of DNA and RNA and try to differentiate between both the nucleic acids.